Wrapping up for the night, markmorrisstorybuild.com. Made a quick video, just talked about how I was at the gym and I finally learned how to work on my oblique muscles again. I've forgotten so much since COVID. I remembered all that stuff. I did the Billy Blanks class. I was doing all the cardio classes. Like 2 years of forgetting all that stuff is hard. So subscribe. I'm doing what I learned from Eric Ward or Eric Wardell or something. He says you can take something and work on it 0.03%. So that's what I do. One of them is about building a relationship. What can I do 0.03% every day to help me with my relationships? Another one is what can I do with 0.03% to raise $10 million in the next 30 to 40 days? So subscribe. Working on that. Stop working on Grant Cardone's closes. I've been studying some China. And I've been reading a new book by Grant Cardone, Wealth Creation. So I'm working on that. And then go home, do some stretching, head out. But subscribe. Remember, I guess what I want to tell you guys, don't give up on the money. Whatever you do, do not give up on the money. I have a 4-bedroom, 2-bedroom house. 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house on an 1.5 acre land in Yucca Valley. If the neighbor had been only a half acre away, I would have kept that house. But I started having problems, and thank God I got out of there before COVID. I hear people telling me, oh, housing prices are high. Let me tell you, 3 things that are going to happen with high housing prices. Either the banks are going to make the prices drop, because if the prices don't drop, people who are smart would take out the equity loans. Number 2, the government's going to tax you. That's what killed me in my real estate duplexes. They taxed me to death, man. And of course, I thought the tenants would pay. They taught me a lesson. And number 3, just repairs, man. A house is like a car, man. But the problem with the repairs with the house is it's just hard to find quality people. Maybe you can do it now. I was paying people $500, twice the market, just to fix the sprinkler. The guy fixed the sprinkler for the fire thing and told me, okay, you cut it on in 20 minutes. What? Well, shit, dog, I could have done that myself. Why pay you $500 if there's any leaking or anything? So that's what I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. Some of the things I found out. Being a landlord, I had a house, did landlord for duplexes, landlord for a house. It took me 5 years to pass my engineering test, but I passed it. And then probably my biggest failure of all is I never will know how many girls I could have slept with or dated if I had went to a co-ed high school. I went to all-guy high school, so maybe in a multiverse, I'm like a super stud at the co-ed, but I went to Vernon Day High School. Trust me, it was the multiverse I was in was like Jonathan Majors, man. I was like running for someone, someone's either running after me or I was running after someone else, man. So subscribe. Thought I'd give you guys a little background into my life. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a good night. Oh yeah, I'm also watching that movie Snow Beast, the new one. Go watch the old one, much better.